Let me share our honest experience while we dine in dito sa Angel's Pizza sa may Makati Avenue. Sa pizza, we ordered yung creamy spinach. We also ordered yung sushi bake. And we also ordered yung Hawaiian. Nag-order din kami ng chicken, yung kanilang lasagna, and their carbonara. I first tried their chicken and yung flavor niya ay parmesan. Sobrang sarap nito. Hindi siya sobrang oily, lasa mo yung parmesan at higit sa lahat, very crispy. For me, yung lasagna nila ay sakto lang, hindi siya super wonderful. Same experience din and same feedback sa carbonara. I think if there's something that they need to improve on, yun yung lasa ng kanilang mga pasta. Pero in all fairness, sa chicken talagang natignan nyo, binalik-balikan ko talaga siya. Ang sarap ng sushi pizza nila, medyo may onting anghang, pero sakto pa rin sa panglasang Pilipino. I tried it with their hot sauce and nag-compliment siya. To describe the taste, lasa siyang seafood na cheesy and creamy plus may onting kick ng spice. Yung creamy spinach naman nila ay sobrang creamy, cheesy, and ang sarap talaga niya. No wonder why kaya sila sumikat dito sa product na to. All in all, my experience here is good. Medyo kailangan lang nila mag-improve sa pasta nila. Parang hindi talaga ako na-satisfied doon. But their pizza and their chicken is really, really good. So I still suggest that if you're looking for something to eat, mapa-dine in or take away, pwede natin pagkatiwalaan ng Angel's Pizza. For more honest reviews, please follow me here on YouTube and my other social media platform. Maraming salamat po. Please comment down below kung saan nyo pa ako gusto kumain.